Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, we all know that 26th June is observed as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Drug abuse and illicit trafficking continue to have a profoundly negative impact on development and stability across the world. The menace of drug abuse is one of the most challenging issues we face today. It has wide ranging impacts on the health and well being of individuals, families, communities, as well as on the security and sustainable development of nations. Therefore, preventing and addressing drug abuse challenges in all their complexity is essential in delivering on fundamental global pledge enshrined in the Sustainable Development Goal, that is, to leave no one behind. Let the youth realize that the life is a precious gift and it should not be wasted on drugs. Drugs would not change them to someone what they never want to be. Let the young generation be guided to pursue creative paths rather than those self-destructing means. I, at the same time, urge upon other social organizations to take up the responsibility to generate awareness and work against drugs and its abuse. The plight of millions of the youth should not remain invisible to us. Love, care, and counseling hold the key to success. Let's start a statewide drive to educate the masses about the dangers of taking drugs and the social evils this brings about. I welcome the initiative taken by Assam Police and thank them to generate awareness among our youth against the abuse of drugs. Thank you.
26 জুন তাৰিখটোক আন্তৰ্জাতিক নিচাযুক্ত দ্ৰব্য আৰু অবৈধ সৰবৰাহৰ বিৰোধী দিৱস হিচাপে উদযাপন কৰি আহিছে। এই দিৱসৰ জৰিয়তে যুৱ প্ৰজন্মৰ মাজত এই সন্দৰ্ভত অধিক সজাগতা বৃদ্ধি কৰাৰ লক্ষ্য স্থিৰ কৰা হৈছে। অসমৰ বুকুতো আমি সকলোৱে মিলি আমাৰ উঠি অহা চামটোক এই ক্ষেত্ৰত অধিক সজাগ আৰু সতৰ্ক কৰি তুলিব লাগিব, যাতে কোনো উঠি অহা যুৱক যুৱতীয়ে নিচাযুক্ত দ্ৰব্য গ্ৰহণ কৰি নিজৰ জীৱনটোক ৰহাতলে নিনিয়ে। সকলোৱে সুস্বাস্থ্য অধিকাৰী হৈ থাকক, মানসিক আৰু শাৰীৰিকভাৱে সবল হওক আৰু একোগৰাকী আদৰ্শ নাগৰিক হিচাপে নিজক প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰক। মই সেইভাৱে অহা 26 জুন তাৰিখটো অসমৰ সকলো শ্ৰেণীৰ ৰাইজক এই সন্দৰ্ভত সংকল্পবদ্ধ হ'বৰ বাবে আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ। মই আশা ৰাখিছোঁ অসমৰ বৰাক ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ পাহাৰ ভৈয়ামৰ এই বৃহত্তৰ অসমীয়া সমাজখনে এই সন্দৰ্ভত নিশ্চিতভাৱে সকলোৱে শক্তিশালী মানৱীয় দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিব আৰু আমাৰ সমাজখনক সুস্থ সবল কৰি আদৰ্শ সমাজ হিচাপে গঢ় দিয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত উঠি অহা প্ৰজন্মক উদ্বুদ্ধ কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।
বৰ্তমান আমাৰ সমাজত ড্ৰাগছে এক বিভীষিকাৰ সৃষ্টি কৰিছে। ড্ৰাগ সেৱনকাৰী এজন ব্যক্তি অকল নিজৰ কাৰণে নহয়, সমাজৰ সকলো মানুহৰ কাৰণে এটা ডাঙৰ বিভীষিকাৰ কাৰক হৈ উঠে। সেইকাৰণে আমি সকলোৱে চেষ্টা কৰিব লাগে যাতে আমাৰ সমাজখন এখন ড্ৰাগ ফ্ৰী সমাজ হৈ থাকিব পাৰে। 26 জুন 2020 তাৰিখে আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ড্ৰাগ বিৰোধী দিৱসৰ দিনা আমি সকলোৱে আহক, আগবাঢ়ি আহোঁ, যাতে এখন আমি সমাজ গঢ়ি তুলিব পাৰোঁ যিখন সমাজত কোনো ড্ৰাগছৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ ৰোল নাথাকিব। Say no to drugs.
26 June is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. We in Assam are very determined to prevent this menace of trafficking of drugs in here in this part of the Northeast India, and also prevent their abuse, especially by the youngsters. With a lot of concern, we've been noticing of late that this menace has now begun to get widespread out here too, thanks to the international players and also some players in the neighboring states, especially on account of its proximity with the Southeast Asian countries and especially the Myanmar areas where large-scale drug production is taking place. Assam is considered to be a transit route and is very vulnerable. but then we in Assam Police have been able to prevent its widespread circulation out here so far. But now, as we are facing the challenges even more of late, I mean, we in Assam Police have been training our people. We've been trying to motivate the youngsters by various means of awareness programs and also taking very strict action, both legal and preventive, against the traffickers, the vendors, and dicey characters. And I solicit the cooperation of the people of Assam and the other parts in our effort to stop this menace. Thank you.
Namaskar. June 26 is observed as an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Assam is a very sensitive state because of its close proximity to Golden Triangle. The hydra-headed monster of drug abuse is spreading its tentacle throughout length and breadth of Assam. Large number of youths are falling prey to the drug abuse. Assam Police has arrested large number of drug traffickers and seized huge quantity of contraband, and this corroborates the disturbing and unfortunate trend of drug abuse in the state of Assam. Assam Police is determined to curb the menace of drug abuse. Along with enforcement measure, it has launched many awareness campaigns, and fortunately we are getting positive response from all sections of the society. Media, particularly social media, have a colossal role to play in generating awareness among masses. Lots of young people have access to technology and they have tremendous potential to reform the society. This is the right opportunity for them. I appeal all sections of society, village panchayats, VDPs, self-help groups, women's organizations, NGOs, enforcement agencies, sports personality, celebrity and commoners to join Assam Police in fighting the deadly menace of drug abuse. Drugs and death are synonymous, so let us say no to drug and yes to healthy life.
Drugs kill life, exercise best life. Say no to drugs. Stay safe, stay home.
Drugs takes life, exercise saves life. Say no to drugs, stay healthy and stay fit. And exercise daily.
Say no to drugs, yes to life.